Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to make new friends easily. In this video, I'll be going over 4 easy steps that you can use to build new relationships, make new friends, build new friendships that last a long time. Let's get right to it. The first step is to be around people. Now, friendships are relationships with other people, okay, that are in the form of friendships. Now, in order to develop friendships, to make new friends, you have to be around people. So whatever that means for you might be different than what it means for someone else, but you have to put yourself around people. Now, if you are in school, then you have to try and be around people, at recess or in class or between your classes. At school, you should try and be around people to develop new friendships. Maybe you have a full-time job. When it's lunchtime or break time, try and be around people, okay? Maybe you're retired. Maybe if you're retired, you can join a club that allows you to be around people. You can join a group that allows you to be around people, a local group, a group of something that you're interested in. So that's why I'm telling you that it might have a different meaning for every person that's watching this video. But the point is, you have to find a way to be around people. If you want to make new friends, you have to put yourself around friendship opportunities, which means being around potential new friends. Now, the second thing, once you've started to, be around potential new friends, is you want to talk to the people that you're around. Now, I know that you might find it hard to start a conversation, but the easiest thing that you can say to every single person that you're around, with no exceptions, is, "Hey, how's it going? Hi, how are you today?" And most people love answering that question because they enjoy telling you how they're feeling. And most of the time, you're going to get an answer like, "Oh, I'm good, I'm great." But sometimes you're going to get an answer like, "Oh, I'm pretty good. Yeah, I've had better days." And those are even better opportunities to start conversations, because if someone says "I'm great," you can say, "That's awesome. You continue the conversation. Have you been here recently? How long have you been part of this club for?" But if someone says that they're not having a great day, well, you can ask them, "Well, how can I make your day better?" And that's the best way to start building a friendship. So you need to talk to everyone that you're around, and that is the spark that starts the friendship. So that's step number 2. Talk to everybody that you're around. Step number 3 is that you want to extend the conversation. Now, if you are part of a group that meets every week, then it's easy to extend the conversation because you're just going to talk to them next week. If you're at school, you're going to talk to them tomorrow or the day after that. But if you're not going to see this person again and you want to develop a friendship with them, then you have to exchange contact information. And maybe you're going to call them or text them or email them or contact them, next week or the week after to extend the conversation, okay? And then step number 4 is to build the friendship. So what you want to do from that point is you want to continue meeting with the person, seeing the person, extending the conversation, building your interests together, building memories together, and that's how you actually build the friendship. Once you've built memories with the person and you've sort of extended the conversation and you've seen them more than a few times, and you've sort of built a friendship or relationship with them. And that's how you make new friends. So I'll go over the 4 steps once again, because I know I sort of expanded on all of them, so it might have been hard to keep track. Step number 1 is be around as many people as possible. Step number 2, talk to everybody that you're around, or talk to as many people as you can. Step number 3, extend the conversation. So talk with them again, speak with them again, meet with them again. Step number 4 is build the friendship by continually, speaking with them again, meeting with them again, making memories, and so forth. Building your interests together. And that's basically it. It's a very simple 4-step process to making new friends. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your tips are for making new friends in the comments section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one.